Hi, Blake Christensen, Greenberg Realty here. I am at a Thomsen home property on the south end of Grand Forks, and I wanted to take you through this property so you get an idea of the layout of it. So as you can see, we are on the south end of Grand Forks, and this model floor plan is their split level floor plan. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and this property that we're walking through right now, this is the model home. So it's just the model home so you can get an idea of what the house looks like if you were to build with Thomsen Homes in Grand Forks. So as you walk in, you have nice laminate flooring right in the entryway here with closet space, and it's a bi-level. So right when you walk in, you walk up and nice open floor plan into the kitchen. So if you go and work with a Thomsen home on their building process, you are able to pick and choose, color cabinets, countertops, what type of flooring. And this floor plan is actually just one of several floor plans that Thomsen home offers as well too. So this would be the master bedroom with a walk-in closet, and right connected to the master bedroom is a connected shared full bathroom as well. So really nice cabinetry. So this is their split level floor plan, and they have the second bedroom right up top as well too. Nice open kitchen. You get to pick and choose types of appliances, whether or not you want to do recessed lighting, those types of things. You can add gas fireplaces. You can pretty much add whatever items you'd want to. Most of their floor plans do come with a deck built in. So here you can see they have a green treated deck off the back. But nice wide open floor plan. This model is a little over 2,100 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. And I just wanted to shoot this video so you can see if you're in the process of looking for a new home, or you're looking to build a home or buy a home, I'm here to help. So here's a floor plan in the lower level. Right at the bottom of the stairs, you have a full bathroom as well. And then you have 2 more bedrooms down here, which is really, really nice. So good sized bedrooms. As you can see, nice sized bedroom. Good sized closet. Really good sized living room down here, which is nice. And then this is where the laundry